It has been a winter. Get back organized for the spring. Yes, sir. All right, so spring is here. This is my first year actually being able to take the time and prepare for spring. I've been waiting for this moment. I think it's gonna be a good start to 2025, a fresh start given everything that's taking place. We'll just see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just recording. We are over here by the muscadines and figs, getting ready to try and clean some of this up. Last year I had a hard time picking the grapes. It was just a cluster trying to get through the vines. So you can see they're wrapped around the figs. Here to try and fix it better tomorrow. Let's go. I'm cutting these back pretty heavy. I've been told prunes are pretty hardy, figs are pretty hardy, so they can tolerate some heavy pruning. Taking out as much as I can, because what good is having the tree if you can't get to the fruit? So before it warms up, before the sap starts moving around in the tree, I am trying to get this. Harvest time, we'll have some manageable trees and I'm able to get to my figs. Do I really? Ooh. About time for the chainsaw over here. Reaching height to get around these vines and clean up these grapevines. I think I'll be pretty good, man. It's the first two. Got two more to go. I'll probably take some of these fig cuttings, start some new trees. I could fill in some of these spaces with some more trees. Maybe put one right there. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Who knows? To the vines with the chainsaw, baby. Now that's pruned. The aftermath. And that's that one. We'll turn our attention to over here. Hopefully you can see with the sunlight. I'm back. I had to go get my hand pruners. Help me cut these vines. I just want to say it feels a little crazy to be talking at a camera right now. I'm not talking to a person, so whoever's watching, thank you. I gotta get used to this whole talking head thing. It's a little unnerving. I'm just watching the DJI go back and forth. That's tree number 2. That's tree number 2. The vines back here don't actually look too bad. I guess because they don't get much sunlight from the canopy behind us. So eventually I have to tackle that. But today it's just the figs. It's just the figs. Figs and grapevines. Now I gotta clean this up. I need a burn pile. I got a burn pile, but it's a little ways away, so I gotta use the mule to get it over there. I'm gonna work on cleaning this up, get ready for round 2, tackle the other set of figs we got. It's back over this way. I'll show you in a second. So if that was round 2, if that was round 1, this is round 2. It's round 2 back there. So hopefully I'll see you guys on the other side. Yep. I even need to prune that one up. It's got some branches growing in between. Up into the canopy right there. I don't like that. I gotta cut that out. Clean it up a bit. I can do this. I can harvest some figs from this. So I was reading, it says your harvest from figs grows on the new growth. So anything that's old, an old branch, won't really produce. So pruning it back is actually a good thing. I should get plenty crop this year. Make some fig jam, eat with the biscuits on a Saturday morning with some bacon. Sounds good. I'm down to my last jar from last year, so I definitely got to get some more figs. It wasn't enough, and I'm missing it. So I'm glad it's springtime. I'm glad it's greening up. Had to get out here this morning, Saturday morning. Who else, enjoys pruning figs on a Saturday morning? I do. Well, maybe not pruning, just yard work in general. It's a quiet time for my mind, a break from the week, time to reflect, think about what's going to happen ahead. It's a nice break, even though it's physical labor. I don't mind it, as long as it's not too hot. So, round 2, starting on the other side. Check back in later. Took a quick break, raked up some trash, let the root structure breathe a little bit. I got the brush piled, the old branches. I'll sort that out later after I'm done with the other side. Get everything at once so I'm not doubling back. You can see on this other side, the grapevines have literally taken over the trees. I gotta correct all that. I gotta get it out of here. That right there, it's just grapevines all over the figs. Can't have that if you actually want a productive crop. It's not getting sunlight in. It's putting weight on the branches. It's straining them of vibrancy. So, I forgot the tripod. See, I'm still getting used to this recording thing. I'm just used to going. I'm not used to having anybody watching me or having to set up so you guys can watch. Move a little bit faster, but you know, gotta get used to it. The wife wants me to record. JP, you do so much. Why don't we get it on camera? Sure. So this is what it takes. Tripod and an actual camera. So, part 2 is probably worse than the other side. I know it's worse than the other side, but we gotta do it. I already started on the fence. You can see how previous owner just left things to grow wild. I've cleaned up on both sides so you can actually walk through here now. Got a brush pile over here. Then I gotta clean up the rest of this all the way down. But I'm gonna get to it, promise. Time for the tractor with some hydraulics. So, as you can see, I had to bring out the big boy, the tractor, to get that stuff along the fence. I'm glad I had that, because if not, I don't know what else I would have done. This stuff is a booger, so got a little bit more to go. These vines growing wild. I'll cut those back like I did the other side. And I'll check back in with y'all inside. And that is spring part 1. I guess we're in spring. I don't want to say winter. It's 75 degrees. I hope you can see. Everything's cleared away. Brush piles on brush piles. Can walk down both sides of the figs. Clear path here. Clear path there. I found a post I gotta replace for the grapevine. This right here is just sitting on the ground. It was rotten. The rest seem to be pretty sturdy, but I'm satisfied. I'm about to go inside. I hope and eat some lunch. I'll come back out later and start getting this stuff burned and piled up. I see somebody coming. I wonder who it is. Why do you have the wagon? Why do you have the wagon? You look like you're not fitting to do no work. Got on a sweater, a pink sweater. Boy, a picnic on a kid's bench?
Yeah.
Chicken tenders and fruit?
Yay!
Oh my God.
Favorite?
My favorite? I don't know about
Honey
that.
bun?
That's true.
I mean, you ain't gonna have no actual meal right now. It's just a snack before you get in the house.
Girl, I guess.
I'll take it with me. Powerade.
Wow. Eating on the kids' table. I got Powerade over there, so I appreciate it. It's a nice day.
It is like amazing out
Finna take a break.
Just sitting out here enjoying the beautiful day.
Not working.
I brought snacks because he was working so much that I wanted to make sure he had something to keep him going, because I'm sure you're finna go right back, aren't you?
I gotta burn the trash.
And I'm going back inside.
Yup.
So, but the plan, it sounds like we are going to map out the plants that we're going to put around the property, around the house, and kind of get a sense of what we want to see come springtime.
It is.
It's almost spring. I'm still waiting on that last frost because I'm not fooled by this Georgia weather. I'm pretty sure it's going to get cold one more time. We just hit February, so. And I'm a little excited about the garden. I wasn't all the way there with the garden until recently. Now I'm there. I see the vision now. I'm here. He said it's a perfect day for fishing, but he's gonna keep cutting trees. And then eventually we'll get to the point where we can enjoy. So, that's all I got.